20 Oreo cookies. Milk 3/4 cup. Use a fork to crush the cookies until there are no big chunks remaining. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Oil 2 tablespoons. Sugar 2 tablespoons. Mix well to combine. All-purpose flour 2 tablespoons. Cocoa powder 2 tablespoons. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. Salt 1/4 teaspoon. Sift well. Whisk until just combined. Note: do not overmix. Microwave on high mode for 3 minutes. Once the cake is done, cover with chopped fresh strawberries. Melt 150-gram milk chocolate over a double boiler. Add a ½ teaspoon of oil and stir well until smooth and runny. Drizzle over the melted chocolate. Garnish cake with fresh strawberry. Enjoy!